Welcome to another video. In this video we'll talk about conditional formatting. So what is formatting? Formatting means applying the cell with a color or changing the font color, and also applying the number formats like the currency like dollars, and also applying the date format. These are all the formats. If I do the formatting manually, formatting manually, that will take time. So in this case I just want to use the formatting by Excel. Okay, that is why we need to use conditional formatting. Let's say, for example, if I want to highlight the cells that are having numbers 2016, how do I do that? If I do it manually, I need to select all these cells individually and pick a color to format the cells. But in this case I want Excel to do it when the condition matches. Okay, so to do that, select the whole range and go to condition formatting, and here you will find few different presets. If any of the preset matches, we can use it. Sometimes the format that I wanted to apply, the condition that I want to apply, may not be available inside the preset. In those scenarios we need to apply functions. We need to write the functions. But in this case I'll go with the preset. Highlight cells rows which is equal to 2016. Already they suggest me with the 2016, but if it is not, we need to change it, or we can type. And these are the few different format types presets available. One is light red fill with the dark text, and the second one is yellow fill, see, and second one is green fill, and red text. These are the different options. If you don't like any of this preset, choose the last option, that is custom format, and then choose fill and choose a color. That is one option. And if you wish to apply borders, choose the border. And if you wish to change the font style like bold or italic, you can choose that one too. And now I choose three different formats like font, borders and color. So now you can see that cell where the number is equal to 2016 is applied with the color. What if I change this 2017 to 2016? Yeah, immediately it will change the color. So that means this rule is applied to all the cells. Whenever they see a matching, whenever the condition matches, they apply the format. Okay, let's try another one for the text. So let me select this text, and then I go to condition formatting, highlight cells rules. In this case, text that contains, okay, this suggests me with helmet. Let me choose jerseys. We need to write the full statement and then choose a format. In this time I'm choosing a preset, green fill with dark green text. Yeah, this is how we can apply it. The third one, numbers again, few options are there, like greater than a particular number. For example, greater than, let's say, 32,000 or 30,000. Yeah, these are the two numbers. You can see the preview. If you click OK, you get the same. Otherwise, choose it, the style, and then click OK. And other options are like less than, between. Date occurring is for the date, and duplicate values if you want to highlight the duplicate values. For example, if I choose the second column and look for duplicate values, see, automatically it highlights everything because all these names present in this are duplicated. Okay, now go back to the previous one, and top and bottom rules. Top 10 items. If I want to highlight the top 10 items in the list, they're going to highlight top 10 by default. But if you wish to change to top 3 items, yes, you can do that. And above average, this shows above average. And data bars, these are the options to apply gradient fill or solid fill. It shows the numbers, which number is greater. Okay, and color scales shows the different colors. In this case, green, yellow, red. That means green means topmost the largest number and red means the lowest number. So the color difference is showing the how big the number is. The more the darker, the big the number is. The more the red color, then it's a lower number, like that. Okay, so choose the different color schemes that you like. And the last option is icon sets. You can use any of these icon sets to identify the numbers, identify which number is greater, smaller, like that. Okay, this is how we apply the basic conditional formatting. Thank you for watching the video.